Alright, welcome back. So today I'm doing a little bit of an overnight adventure. I'm going to go from the Hamble River in the UK all the way out onto the Southampton water, out into the Solent, and then all the way down across past the Needles down to Weymouth. And I'm going to spend the night over in Weymouth, sleep in this ever so luxurious cabin. So what do I need to take with me today to make sure that everything goes as smooth as it can do? Firstly, I've got an outboard engine just in case the main engine fails. Hopefully not. I've got, let's just go out here, extra fuel for the outboard. I've got my toolbox, so just in case I need any tools along the way. I've checked the oil on the engine. I've got my AIS so that just in case there's any other ships in the area I can see what's about. I've got my chart plotter. I'm not actually going to use this one. I'm going to use the Savvy Navi chart plotter that I've got on my iPhone and also on my MacBook, which is in my rucksack. What else have I got ready? So I've got obviously flares. Hopefully don't need to use those. I've got a change of clothes. Got my toothbrush. Yeah, pretty much ready to go. I've just filled up. It cost me 102.83 for 62 litres. So not too bad. If I come over here, I'll show you the actual prices. So there you go. I'm not a berth holder, I'm a visitor, so I pay 165 per litre for diesel. Got a 120 litre tank on board. According to the sat nav, it reckons I'm going to use around 50 litres to get there, so probably have to top up a little bit when I'm in Weymouth just to make sure. So I'll catch you in a bit when I'm out onto the Solent. Right, whilst going up the river, I thought I'd talk about subscribers. So the channel's growing really well. It's much better than what I thought it was going to do. I think I'm 185 subscribers as of today. But what I want to do is can make better videos, because let's be face it, they're all a little bit cobbled together at the moment. So I looked at the YouTube analytics and only 10% of the people that view the videos that I make are actually subscribed. So I thought, how can I make people, or how can I entice people to subscribe and click that subscribe button? Then I had a brainwave. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a competition. So this isn't endorsed by anyone, this is out of my own pocket. I will give away this Icom submersible VHF portable radio. I use it all the time. They're brilliant. Battery lasts forever. All you got to do to win that is like and subscribe to my channel, and on Wednesday the 31st of August 2022 I'm going to pick a winner at random. I'll contact you and I'll get this out into the post to you. Okay, so I'm heading out of Southampton water. I just thought I'd show you on the map exactly what I'm doing. So here I am, just coming out of the Hamble River, just out into Southampton water. I'm going to be heading down past Yarmouth on the Isle of Wight, down past the Needles, and then out across pretty much in open water all the way past Studland, and then over across onto, into Weymouth. A bit nasty, doesn't it? Right, okay, so we've made it to the Needles. It's pretty much, I don't know if you can see that, pretty much about halfway. So now we can pass the Isle of Wight, and we're going to now be out into open water for probably about an hour whilst we get over to Studland, and then make our way from Studland over into Weymouth Marina. Spotted land. I reckon I've got about 20 minutes to go, and hopefully the land that I can see is Weymouth. It's been a mammoth journey. Great fun though. Currently doing 15 knots. I can see a tanker out in the distance, and on my chart plotter it says I've got 4.2 nautical miles to go. And I reckon when I get into Weymouth, I'm going to moor up, and I'm going to go and find myself the nearest supermarket and buy a bottle of gin and a bottle of tonic. Well, I only bloody did it. Here we are. Just made it into Weymouth. I'm now following the pleasure ferry in, because I thought he probably knows where he's going. I think you'd probably have to be a little bit mental to go on one of them things. I would throw my guts up. Well, I did it. I'm in Weymouth. The boat was perfect. The sea was good. I've just been over to the range shop because stupidly I forgot pillow, towel, sleeping bag. So I've just had to go and sort myself out with all the essential stuff so I can actually go to sleep. There's my little bed for the night. So yeah, it's been a really good trip, this one. And as a reward to myself, I'm going to start knocking into this. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, then like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.